What are head and shoulders chart patterns? What are double top and double bottom chart pattern? In this video, I am going to explain to you all these chart patterns that I've just mentioned. This is because technical analysis is one of the most reliable tools traders use to understand market behavior and predict possible price movements. Among the numerous chart patterns, the head and shoulders and the double top or double bottom patterns remain some of the most powerful and commonly used reversal signals. If you want to move or to improve your accuracy, sharpen your entries and avoid chasing the wrong trend, understanding these patterns is essential. Number one of this pattern is the head and shoulders pattern. What is a head and shoulders pattern? The head and shoulders pattern is a trend reversal formation that signals a potential change from an uptrend to a downtrend. It consists of three peaks. The first peak is the left shoulder. Price rises then it pulls back. Then we have the head, which is number two. Price rises again, forming a higher peak, then pulls back. Then we have the right shoulder. Price rises again, but forms a lower peak compared to the head. A horizontal or slanted line drawn across the pullback points is called the neckline. Just like we have our neck, then the head shoots up above the neck. So we have a pullback that is just at the neck level to the right and to the left, and one that shoots up as if it's the head, and that is where it goes the name head and shoulder. Where we have the left shoulder, we have the neck and the head in the middle, and then we have the right shoulder. Now let's look at the next one, let's talk about how this forms. That's the head and shoulder. How does it form? Buyers push price up, that is the left shoulder. Then price pulls back but rallies again to form a higher high, that is the head. Then price declines but rallies again, forming a weaker high, that is the right shoulder. A break below the neckline confirms a reversal. So that neckline that will form, a break below it confirms a reversal, and a break above it confirms a break below it confirms a reversal, because here we are talking about the head and shoulders pattern and it's a trend reversal candle. Now let's move on to the next one, which is talking about the trading strategy. What is trading strategy? But before we go to the trading strategy, yes, you're going to the trading strategy now for the head and shoulders. You wait for the neckline to break out. Then you enter a sell position on the break or the retest. Then place your stop loss above the right shoulder. Your target is usually the height of the head subtracted from the neckline. This is a measured move. Now let's talk about the inverse head and shoulders. This is the bullish version, and it indicates a reversal from a downtrend to an uptrend. Now the structure in this case is that three troughs, that is valleys, instead of peaks. The first one is like an M, but in this case it's like forming a kind of M, but in this case it's coming with kind of W kind of. So the trough valleys, the three troughs, that is valley instead of peaks like we have in the initial one. Then the middle trough is the lowest. Break above the neckline signals bullish reversal. This pattern is extremely powerful when combined with volume confirmation. Another pattern we want to talk about is the double top and double bottom patterns. In the case of the double top pattern, which is a bearish reversal, what is a double top? A double top forms after an uptrend and signals a possible bearish reversal. It consists of a peak, that is top one, a pullback, another peak around the same price level, that is top two, a breakdown of the support level between the tops. How it forms: buyers push price to a high, Sellers reject that price level. Buyers attempt again but fail to break the previous high. Price collapses below support. This confirms the pattern, which is going to be bullish. Interpretation for this is that the double top represents a failed attempt to continue the uptrend. The level of resistance that price failed to break becomes a strong reversal signal. The trading strategy for this is that you sell when price breaks support between the two tops, then stop loss above the second top. Profit target equals the height between the top and support zone. Double bottom pattern, bullish reversal. What is a double bottom? A double bottom forms after a downtrend and signals a potential bullish reversal. And the double bottom consists of a low, that is bottom 1, a rise to a resistance level, a second low at nearly the same level, that is bottom 2, then a breakout above the resistance level. How does this form? Sellers push price to a low. Buyers step in and price rises. Sellers attempt to push price lower but fails at the same level. A breakout above resistance confirms the trend reversal. How is this interpreted? The double bottom shows strong buying support. The failed attempt by sellers to make a new low indicates exhaustion and a shift toward bullish momentum. Trading strategy: buy on breakout above resistance. Stop loss below the second bottom. Profit target equals the height from the bottom to the resistance. The key differences between the patterns are as follows: the pattern, the type, and where it appears. Head and shoulders is a reversal pattern, and it's end of an uptrend, and it shows a bearish reversal. Inverse head and shoulders is a reversal, and then it's end of a downtrend, and it's a bullish. We're showing a bullish trend coming. Then you have a double top. Double top also is a reversal candle, and it's appear after an uptrend, and it signals a bearish setup. Then we also have the double bottom. Double bottom also is a reversal candle, and it is found after a downtrend, and it signals a bullish reversal. Why these patterns matter? These patterns are essential because they predict major trend reversals. They provide clear entries and exits. They help traders avoid false breakouts. They improve timing and reduce emotional decisions. When combined with confluence factors such as volume, support and resistance, and market structure, they can significantly enhance trading accuracy. Chart patterns like the head and shoulders and double top, double bottom remain timeless tools in technical analysis. They help traders understand the psychology behind price movements and position themselves for high probability trades. Whether you are trading forex, crypto, stocks, or indices, mastering these patterns will help you grow your skills and boost your long-term consistency. If you want more trading education, chart breakdowns, and profitable strategies, follow me on YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly lessons and for daily lessons as time permits. Join my FX and crypto signals up for deeper training and real-time guidance. I also do forex, money management, or account management, where you fund your account and I trade the account for you, and then the profit made, we can share it together. Usually I will make a profit of 20% per month on your account, and the minimum you can start with is $500. Your growth as a trader starts with knowledge. Take the next step today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video with family and friends, and keep coming back to this channel for more. Until I come your way in the next one, I want to say a shout out to Lara Laoyi, who has been a faithful member on my YouTube channel. I'll see you in the next one. Please watch this next video popping up on my channel at this moment. See you in the next one. More peeps.